Sure.
Hello everyone, my name is Mukul Rao and I'm from Symbiosis Center for Media and Communication. I have volunteered to intern at Dream Girl Foundation. This NGO has taught me a lot and it has been a great experience so far. So, what are the questions now?
What is your overall experience in Dream Girl Foundation?
My overall experience was great and when the first day I came here, I was assigned class 3. So I was told to teach grade 3 all the subjects, English, Hindi, math, SST, everything, science. And it's just great how I got to teach all the children and it was a great experience. Everybody was so welcoming and everybody had that curiosity to learn about new things, and the children are great. The NGO is great.
Hello, my name is Riya Pasriva. I'm from Flame University in Pune, and I've been interning with the Dream Girl Foundation, which helps the underprivileged children. It provides them with education, provides them with food, clothes, and it's a great space for them to feel safe and to feel valued.
How was your experience with this NGO?
It's been a wonderful experience. It's very wholesome working with the kids, and there's so much to learn from them as well. They're really smart and they're really talented, and it's honestly been a privilege to get to work for them and to get to make their lives better. So it's been great.
I'm Manoj Bisht. I am from Symbiosis Pune. I'm in my first year, going into my second year, and I'm interning at Dream Girl Foundation currently.
How was your experience in this NGO?
My experience has been great, having fun with kids. I teach first graders, which is a lot of fun, and it makes me feel like a child again. It makes me feel how chaotic I was as a child, makes me relive those moments again. And the experience was great. The kids are very friendly, the kids are a lot of fun to teach, and we have a lot of fun in class together. So,
And a few difficulties that I faced were just matching the levels of students. Like, for example, over here there are 5 classes and they've been divided into age groups. So there, for example, some children are in grade 7 in grade school, but they study over here in grade 3. So some of their knowledge levels are high, some of their knowledge levels are pretty low. So to find a balance between the both and to teach them one thing was a bit of a difficult task, but somehow with the help of the children we managed it.
I think the one difficulty I faced is that obviously they're not on the same academic level because they don't get the same guidance. So it's a bit difficult teaching them because some kids understand and some kids don't. So I think that's a difficulty I faced, and I think the kids are a little bit mischievous, but in general, they listen, and so it's been great, nothing more than that.
a few difficulties would be, getting a hold of the attention span of the kids. Obviously they're first graders, so it's very hard to deal with them. And also the level of education of studies as compared to other schools is very different, and I'm sure that will be improved over the period of time. But for now it's a big problem, and the resources that they have, they obviously they're not that good, and